maypole dancing. Today, we are going to talk about maypole dancing, which is a traditional form of dancing in the UK. Maypole dancing originated in Germany, but has been practiced in Britain since the Middle Ages. People dance around a wooden pole, although nowadays they are often made of metal, which has colourful ribbons attached around the top of the pole. Pairs of dancers hold the end of these ribbons as they dance. One member of the pair will move clockwise, while the other goes anti-clockwise in a circle, weaving in and out between each other. As the ribbons wrap around the pole, it creates a pattern. The dancers begin in a large circle around the pole. As they dance, the amount of free ribbon becomes shorter, and they get closer and closer to the pole. When they are halfway through the music, or they get too close to the bass, the dancers turn around and reverse the dance to undo the ribbons. Practice dancers can move in different, more complicated patterns to create more complicated designs around the pole. Some of these are very impressive, creating complex, beautiful designs. The dancers must be extremely careful not to make a mistake, as one wrong move can cause the ribbons to become knotted or ruin the pattern. I loved maypole dancing when I was in primary school. I really enjoyed learning the more advanced dancers, wearing the pretty dresses, and getting to wear headbands with flowers. Maypole dancing takes place during the spring and early summer. The dances are most commonly performed at May Day celebrations, but also at other spring or summer events. For example, we used to perform as children at the school summer fair and at village fun days. Have you ever seen maypole dancing? Would you be interested in having a go? Let me know what you think in the comments.